Hello, today we are about to make a whole chicken, and I have my chicken. It's already defrosing. I am about to cut it, and then we'll be seasoning it. I make sure I let the drink guide me to where I should cut my chicken neatly and nice. See, I'm following the drink to get to the white spot to cut it very, very nice. This part right here is something I don't really like to do because it's really dangerous. You can easily get small cut, and small cut is just so not really painful, but they burn a lot, especially in your hand. Like, I'm gonna be seasoning my chicken using salt, lime juice, and it's definitely will put my hand like on fire. So I'm trying to be very careful as much as I can. For the largest part, the breast, I will not use it today. I'm about to put it in a Ziploc bag and save it for another day. I'll cook it separately for different meal, you know, maybe for a salad, grilled chicken salad or else, but I will not be using it on this day. Most likely I do that for any time that, like, when I cook whole turkey, whole chicken, I always do that. I always save the breast part because I like to most likely season them in one the way I'm doing today. I'll put it on my freezer afterward. And this is hot boiling water to rinse my chicken. I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces. Try to get the drumsticks out. Yeah, the smaller it is, the better the season getting. Yeah. I'm trying to get rid of the fat as much as I can. After I clean it, I'm about to rub lime all over my chicken. Then I will be rinsing it. After I rub my lime all around every pieces, I will rinse it until it's completely clear. The water is clear enough. Then I will pour my hot boiling water all over it. Let it sit for 2 seconds. Then I will be seasoning my chicken. Now I'm rinsing my chicken. I already make sure I rub my lime all over it. Now I'm looking for the clear water. Once my water is clear, that means my chicken is really clean. I will be using the hot boiling water to set it just before the season. I am pouring my hot boiling water all over it and leave it for 2 seconds. After, I will drain it, then start seasoning my meat. I'm squeezing half of a lemon to get the juice all over. So the first step of the seasoning part. I'm adding now 1 or 2 tablespoons of Haitian seasoning. I will leave the link below how I prepare it. This is hot pepper. It's fresh. It's optional. Not everybody likes spicy. I do. And I'm about to add 3/4 of tablespoon of Maggi. And this is optional too. Not everybody use Maggi nowadays. I'm adding black pepper, salt, this is sour oranges. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of the juice And you can also use the actual sour orange if you have it, but it's hard to find here on the market. That's why I rather use the juice. And a tablespoon of olive oil for flavor. That had good flavor to my meat. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. That gives my meat a nice color. Once I don't add it, I don't like the way it looks. I feel like my meat kind of still look wow without it. That's why I like to put it on the seasoning part. I rub all my seasoning all over, make sure it gets in real deep and real good. After that, I will let it sit overnight. I'll cover it, put it on my fridge, and let it sit overnight. And I'll come back in the morning to cook it. This is thyme and parsley, pepper. I just put them all over it. I will cover it, and the next video I will cook it. Thank you for watching.